Hi, and welcome to Text University. In this quick overview, we're taking a look at the Settings panel in TextApp, your control center for customizing communication, managing workflows, and keeping everything secure. Settings are neatly organized into 5 main areas, so it's easy to find what you need and fine-tune your setup. First, there's Channels. This is where you connect TextApp to the platforms your customers already use, like your website widget, Facebook Messenger, and Apple Messages for Business. It's all about meeting people where they are. Next up is Website Widget, where you can tailor how the chat widget looks and behaves on your site. Change the design to match your branding, set the language, choose when the widget appears, and even add welcome screens or pre-chat forms to collect info before the conversation starts. In chatting, you'll find tools that help your team handle live conversations more efficiently, like automatic chat assignment, transcript forwarding, file sharing, and chat tags to keep everything organized. Then there's ticketing, which helps you structure how customer issues are managed. You can set up custom email templates and notifications to alert the right people, use tags to prioritize, and even connect external systems through API and webhooks. And finally, security gives you control over who can access your workspace and how your data is protected. From setting trusted domains and masking credit card info, to blocking spam or banning unwanted IP addresses, it's all here. That's your quick look at the Settings panel in TextApp. For more help, head over to text.com and start a chat with us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you.